1 day.
1 day! I just did one. But you can make some progress in 1 day. Okay, so we're gonna have...
It's probably a lot about just at least getting the bloat out, right?
Exactly.
If you only have a day.
So we're gonna have the lemon, again, that lemon water, but we're gonna take it up a notch and add some ginger. Ginger is also good. It's anti-inflammatory, but it's also good for digestion. And then when it comes to breakfast, though, just protein. We don't need the fruit and we don't need the fat this time. Just the eggs for the protein. It'll keep you satisfied. And then you can add on, you know, we've got some herbs here. We've got cayenne to give you a little bit. It also again, like you said, it makes you satisfied, but it also gives you a little metabolism.
Flavor without calories.
Exactly. Love that. And then the added benefits of the antioxidants. Okay, so here we've got dandelion root tea. So you want to drink all day.
Yum.
It sounds counterintuitive, but you want to push fluid with fluid. So you want to drink all day, which, like you said, you love. So dandelion root tea.
Keeps my hands warm too. You know,
I love
it's so
it.
cold
I
in the studio.
always love sitting with a cup of tea. So dandelion root tea acts as a diuretic, helps flush you out. Which, by the way, you could also have dandelion greens.
I was going to say, can I just eat the greens? My grandpa always gave us dandelion greens when I was a kid.
Love
and he put an egg on top.
Oh, that's
good. Yeah, we'd have that on Sunday breakfast.
That's a great.
Always.
I was just saying that's a great breakfast. And here's milk thistle tea, which is sort of. I want you to try that actually. Tell me if you like that. It acts a little bit as. You know, it's kind of famous actually for being a detoxifying tea. It's actually most famous probably for detoxifying the liver.
It has a very light flavor. Like, I don't really detect much of a flavor. It just kind of tastes like hot water.
And it also is good for your digestion as well. Okay, so then when it comes to the greens, of course, greens and greens and greens we keep talking about. But on this day, remember, we've got 1 day. We don't want to feel bloated and gassy. So we want to make sure we get rid of things like the vegetables.
Cruciferous vegetables.
Brussels sprouts.
Don't load up. Exactly. Don't load up on broccoli before the big date.
Exactly. None of that. So spinach and asparagus will help flush things out versus making you, you know, a little cranky down there. Okay, and then, of course, lots of protein.
Lean protein.
Because you don't want to skip meals. You want to stay satisfied. You don't want to be starving when you get to wherever you're going.
Yeah, because then you'll be a cranky date.
Exactly. Yes. And keep the prep simple. It's 1 day, guys, right? Keep it simple. Roasted,
don't put heavy
baked.
Sauces on things,
Exactly.
obviously.
But lots of herbs and spices like we talked about. Keep it simple, right?
Keep it simple.
And then one more thing, though, too.
Right,
also, you do want to exercise. Because when you exercise, you get your blood flow glowing, and that will also just help detoxify your body. It just, when you get that blood going. And also, again, mentally, you feel better. So do some sit-ups before you...
And you might lose a pound or so.
I said sit-ups. Do you like that? I meant push-ups.
Push-ups?
Do those push-ups.
She's doing a dance move. So
That's what I do.
Could you lose a pound or two?
So you could lose a couple pounds. Absolutely.
Really?
And it might be just water weight, like I was saying.
I know, but you'll look better.
And you'll feel better. And it's a good way to kickstart healthy eating.